Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HAYLOU Fun application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the HAYLOU Fun application on our phone. In the application, let's tap on My Smart Device, select the HAYLOU GST, and on this page scroll down and find the option called Alarm Clock and tap on it. And here we have already pre-existing alarm clocks. As you can see, we can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switch next to them. Oh, my bad. The switch like this. We can also tap on the alarm itself to enter the editing mode, and here we can edit the alarm clock. We can edit the time, we can edit the days on which it's gonna be repeating, so we can tap on when to repeat, and we can select every Monday to Friday, daily or custom. If you select daily, it's gonna do it every day. If you select every Monday to Friday, it's gonna only do it on Mondays, from Monday to Friday rather. And if you select custom, you can select the specific days, for example, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday, and then tap on confirm. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have our alarm clock. You can also add a new one if you want to by tapping on the plus button and basically edit the same settings. Oh, also we can change the name of the alarm clock. We can tap on label and we can change it to something like this, then tap save. And once you're done, tap on the check mark, and here we have our alarm clock. Another thing we can do is to remove the alarm clocks from the list, and to do it, simply press and hold on one, then tap on confirm. And that's how you set up the alarm clocks on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.